So, welcome student. After completing nylon 6, nylon 6, this polymer, now I will going to discuss next preparation of next polymer, that is polyester. Polyester, or we can call terylene or Dacron or also it is known as PET. In short, PET, that is polyethylene terphthalate. Okay. So this polymer, that is polyester, Dacron or terylene, has ester linkage. In ester linkage is repeating in throughout the structure of polymer. Ester linkage is repeating. Okay. Now first we will see its preparation, how it is prepared. Now it is prepared by the condensation reaction of polymerization between ethylene glycol. We know ethylene glycol, that is CH2, ethylene glycol, and terphthalate. Terphthalate is this is benzene, this is carboxylic acid, then the another carboxyl group at para position. This structure is known as phthalate. Okay, not terphthalate, terphthallic acid. Phthalic acid, this is the structure of phthalic acid, COH. In phthalic acid, it is a dicarboxylic aromatic acid. These two carboxyl group attach and these group are ortho position. Okay, ortho to each other, 1 2 position, that is called phthalic acid. And if we change the position of carboxyl group, if they are 1 4 position, para position, then that is called terphthallic acid. Okay. So monomers used in the preparation of polyester or terylene are ethylene glycol and terphthallic acid. Okay. Now this polymer, very simple, is prepared by condensation polymerization of ethylene glycol, CH2OH, and terphthallic acid. See, n number of terphthallic acid and n number of glycol undergo condensation reaction at high temperature in presence of catalyst zinc acetate and antimony trioxide, and 420 to 460 temperature. Okay, high temperature, that is high temperature, undergo condensation polymerization. Okay, and then water molecule will loss like this. N number of OH group of ethylene glycol from both the side and OH group of carboxyl group. These two carboxyl group are going to use for condensation, and then n number of this repeating structure will form then these n number of monomers repeating unit combine together and then form this polymer bond OCH2 CH2 O CO O like this, n number of this. So this is the simple, very simple ethylene glycol molecule condensed with terphthallic acid from both the side, alternate. If you arrange this reaction like ethylene glycol, terphthalate, ethylene glycol, terphthalate like this and so on, then all the molecule condense together by losing simple water molecule, condensation, polymerization, give long chain, that is nothing but polyester or terylene, or we can call terphthalate or PET, in short PET. So this is the simple preparation for polyester. And what are monomers used in this polyester? Ethylene glycol, terphthallic acid. Okay, they are in presence of catalyst, zinc acid, antimony trioxide and high temperature undergo condensation polymerization to give this repeating unit, and then polymerization take place to form long chain polymer. Okay, so this is the simple preparation for polyester. Now this polymer, see, this polyester or terylene, it is also called as terylene, is blended with cotton, then it give special type of developed polymer, that is called terrycot. I think we have heard this word, terrycot fabric, okay, wrinkle free fabric, terrycot. And if we blend this terylene with wool, then it will give terry wool. This is another type of polymer, okay, and they are very, very important and useful terrycot and terylene. Actually this polyester is stable at high temperature, resistant to chemical, okay, that's why they are very, very important. Now this polymer are actually resistant to heat also, chemical, light, moth, bacteria, etc. They absorb, and very important property of this terylene is that they absorb very little water and dry quickly. That's why they are very important, dry quickly. They are blended with cotton. To form terrycot, and also blended with wool, that will produce terry wool. These terrycot and terry wool are useful in the preparation of fishing net, ropes, trouser, magnetic tape, recorder, tires, etc. Okay, so these are the some uses of terylene and terrycot, terry wool. And also this polymer PET is also used for making many articles like bottle jams, then packaging container, etc. So that's why they are very, very important. So this very important. So student, try to understand and write chemical reaction for the preparation of the many times, so that it is it will clear to you. Thank you very much.